What if you got that one chance to flip it around? Flip your life around, flip the food that you eat around, flip the music that you listen to. Imagine a world all flipped. Welcome to Flip It Around, where we make boring look exciting. हम सबकी लाइफ में वो पड़ोस वाली आंटी होती हैं, मेरी लाइफ में भी वो पड़ोस वाली आंटी हैं और उनको ढोकले से सख्त नफरत. So let's flip ढोकला around for her today. Are you ready for the ढोकला flipping? I am. Okay जी, बड़ा सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला है. ये हमने लिया कटोरा, कटोरे में डाला ढोकला और ढोकले को कर लिया क्रम्बल. We're just going to add some crunch to it and make an interesting chaat salad out of ढोकला. Interesting मेरे लिए, आप खा के ट्राई कर लेना जी. देखो जी, this is how we make ढोकला sexy. Make a chart out of it. Flip it around, have fun, keep life moving, keep it sexy. Why am I drinking 2 drinks? Because normal is boring. If you also believe normal is boring, then let's flip things around. Flipping it around with Flip at MTV and Ranveer Brar. What we're going to flip around today? How about bacon? You want to see how? I'll show you how. How do you flip bacon around into something that you really don't know? I'll tell you how. Here we are, the nutty Nutella and the crispy bacon, the sweet and salty. This is bacon flipped around. Imagine a world where you could eat chaat every day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Imagine a chaat that's so healthy that your parents force you to eat it for breakfast. How cool is that? Well, let's flip the chaat around. Let's flip it around and make it with oats. So now you got why I was saying you can have this tikki for breakfast, because this tikki uses oats and oats are good for you. It's easy. What we did was we flipped the chaat that you know as chaat. करेला? करेला कौन खाता है यार? हम खाते हैं because we flip things around. Welcome to Flip It Around, where we will flip the boring करेले की सब्जी. Let me tell you a secret, the chef's secret. The simplest way to make boring food interesting is add meat. और जैसे भजिया बनती है, इसकी बना ली भजिया. Let's flatten it out, put it to fry. So this, my dear friend, is how you flip the Karela around. अब जैसे खिचड़ी है, कितने दिन खिचड़ी खाएंगे, कहीं ना कहीं तो बोर हो जाएंगे और फिर आप बोलेंगे there's a need to flip. Let me flip that khichdi for you. So this is bachi hui khichdi, the boring khichdi, which I'm going to turn into something Italiano. I'll show you how. So all I did was I took the khichdi, added some breadcrumb, added some achar, rolled it up, tossed it with some breadcrumbs, deep fried it. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना. Hi, this is Ranveer Brar. This is chili idli, and together we will flip it around. Now to flip your boring idli, all you have to do is take the idli, cut it into quarters and fry it. आप इसको air fry भी कर सकते हैं, deep fry भी कर सकते हैं. It's nice, brown and crisp. That's where you want to take it. And after that, you have to dunk it into the pan with, I'll show you. Took some green chilies, Szechuan sauce, your choice of chili sauce, put some onions, put your crispy idli, tossed it up, and you're good to go. Keeping life simple, flipping it around, let's plate it now. Let me ask you a question first. हिंदुस्तानी शादी में सबसे ज्यादा चलने वाली मिठाई कौन सी है? या मिठाई कॉम्बो कौन सा है? डिजर्ट कॉम्बो कौन सा है? मैं बताऊं, गुलाब जामुन एंड आइसक्रीम. भाई कुछ भी हो जाए, गुलाब जामुन आइसक्रीम कॉम्बो never fails. But at some point in time it really gets boring, doesn't it? मतलब कितना गुलाब जामुन आइसक्रीम खाएगा आदमी और कितने तरीके से खाएगा? एक तरीका और है. One quick way to flip the gulab jamun around. Let's make a gulab jamun Sunday. Oh, Sunday Monday वाला Sunday नहीं जी, वो गिलास वाला Sunday. Let's do that. Laddu, like one of the most boring mithais ever made. When we go to weddings, we are forced to eat them. When we're getting married, we're forced to eat a lot of them. How do you make laddu cool? How do you flip a laddu around? Let me show you how. क्या बना रहे हैं आपको अभी नहीं बताएंगे. जब बन जाएगा then you can guess.